and Karate Blue. In second place, Karate Green. And the winners in third place, Karate Red. Pile to the podium, please. Pile to the podium now, please. Next event on area 6 for the category 95. Following the podium, please. Female cadet over 55 kilos, Holly Bryant, Serena Hines, Olivia Zizan, Aria Moore, Amelia Barnes, Rose Kuzmero Category 95, female cadet over 55, 16 control, take your orders now. Next category will be category 111.
Kadeem Hickey!
Next event on area 3, category 117. Mal Junior Diploma.